Hey everybody, I'm back again for another video. If you didn't watch my previous one about CPI, I'll leave it down below in the description for you. But in this video, I'm just going to touch over a couple of things here. We're going to look at the SPY, the QQQ, the overall market. We're going to look at Bitcoin, and we're going to see what's going on with small caps. So it seems like the market is taking to the CPI numbers pretty well. Small caps specifically, risk on assets specifically, are running. Meanwhile, the SPY, the QQQ, really isn't doing a whole lot. We have a slightly green day as of this upload. We'll see how things change. But you know, they're really not doing a whole lot. You've definitely got some smaller caps, crypto going absolutely crazy here, but let's take a look at it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like these videos. Check out the links down below for some free stocks, free cryptos. Consider becoming a member to show your support, and let's take a look at the market. And one thing I quickly wanted to tell you here is look out for bots. Specifically, look for ones talking about VGX. I find some of these comments quite suspicious, and they're all talking about this MEXC exchange. I don't know how legit that is, but we've definitely got what seems like some bots pumping VGX. I would be careful. Now, glancing at TradingView's heat map here, you'll see we've generally got green. We've definitely got a few sectors that are majority in the red. But as I said, small caps are definitely doing very well today. And it seems like these risk on assets are getting a little bit of a relief rally. And we've got crypto as well doing very nicely here. In the last week, Bitcoin's been up about 12%. And just in the last 24 hours, about 7%. Same goes with the altcoins. Cardano is slowing its pace a little bit, but over the week it is still up 22%. We've got Solana still going crazy. We've got Litecoin going up too. Definitely a lot of green generally across the board. And our favorite Bitcoin miner, CleanSpark, is absolutely popping today here. And like I said with CleanSpark, it's almost like playing Bitcoin on leverage. If Bitcoin does very well, CleanSpark is going to do weller, if that's a word. And if Bitcoin does kind of bad, then, well, CleanSpark is going to do worse. And you'll see here on this pattern, this descending wedge pattern. We broke out of it. We've been on an uptrend ever since, and we are reaching the 200 EMA. Watch how that performs. See if we can bounce above it and hold it. But on the 4-hour here, the MACD is still bullish. The RSI is becoming a little overbought, and if the candles can crack this 200 and stay above it, I'd say that's pretty bullish as well. But just remember, guys, that it was only a few days ago that this stock was at its low. So the market can quickly turn back around. This could be just as simple as a relief rally, a dead cat bounce, what have you. Regardless, this is a great time to add to your high conviction long-term stocks. And checking out Bitcoin on the chart, it seems like it's on a moonshot as well. We've got a breakout out of this broadening formation, I would call it, and sure enough, CPI came out good, so it just started blasting off. I am very hopeful that the bottom is in, but I wouldn't personally be surprised if we do test some lower levels from here. That being said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will say this. If you feel like you're missing the run up here on Bitcoin, 18,000, 19,000, it keeps running 20,000, you know, typically you don't want to buy on a huge run up. Usually there's a pullback. But looking long term, I don't think it's going to matter very much if you bought at 18, 19, or 20,000. Of course, it'll help your gains out, but my point is, I personally believe Bitcoin to be a great long-term investment as we slowly move up as well through this next potential bull cycle. Now, I did want to pull up the SPY and show you guys it's only up 0.4% here as of this upload. Like I said in my last video, we are in a longer-term downtrend, you can see here. And this descending resistance, this upper red line here, is going to be very important to watch. We had what I would call a false breakout last time we tried to break out, and we'll see what happens next time here. And we've got kind of a similar chart setup here for the QQQ, also up as of this upload, only about 0.5%. So it's kind of interesting that the larger market, you know, the QQQ, the SPY, large caps in general, aren't going too crazy today, but it seems the more risky the asset, the more the run. And we may see this theme continue as CPI numbers continue to get better and better, or less worse, I should say. But what do you guys think about the market lately? I'm sure many of you are in disbelief as well, just being that we're so used to just getting beat up after beat up after beat up. To see a little bit of green, you can't help but be a little hesitant on if this is the beginning of the next bull run. I personally think we have a little ways to go, but I will welcome any run up. But thanks so much, guys. Let me know how you feel about the market lately. What are you specifically watching? Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.